How to create a TikTok account. Hello, everybody. To create a TikTok account, you can follow up the step. First of all, you can just go ahead and download the TikTok application from your available app store. After that, open up the application, and then once you open it up, you should be finding this sign up interface right here. So all you gotta do is follow the prompts to enter. So first of all, you can use up any of the method available. You can either go ahead and create up your account with an email or with Facebook directly or even with Google, or you can use your phone number and follow the verification process. So for this video, let's head over with an email process. So tap on continue with email, and then once you tap on it, you will be taken to another page. So all you gotta do is simply type in the email address here and tap on continue. And then in the next page, you need to just go ahead and create up a password. So choose a secure password, 8 characters, one letter, one number, one special character, and a strong password. After that, continue with the process. And then just go ahead and do that. And then select your birthday. So just go ahead and select up your birthday from which year you belong and continue the process after that. You need to select up a year, month, and a date. After that, you need to go ahead and create a nickname for yourself. So select up a unique username that you would like to use on TikTok. And just go ahead and tap on add nickname. And just go ahead and add up a nickname and continue. And then once that is done, your account should probably be created. And there you go. This is how you basically create up your TikTok account. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you in another video.